The biggest culture shock was the food.
I don't like it.
Boring. Sorry, no offense.
To be honest, it's a bit bland.
Because you guys don't take pepper.
The English people forget to add salt.
It's not seasoned.
I am used to having like really spicy food,
My background is a very spicy one.
like layers of flavor.
But I'm getting used to it.
I'm fine with literally everything.
The fish and chips, Jesus Christ.
I love fish and chips.
I can have anything now, like except I think beans on toast.
I do have toast for lunch, always.
Now I have started eating sausage rolls. You can never go a day without having meal deals. Meal deals are now my savior.